Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite. To know how to find a solution about Facebook Lite, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we'll enter to the window of Facebook Lite and you will enter here. Then this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.